All right, hello. Today I'm doing a repair for Juana at 8609 Marigold Street. This here is the wind crease shingle we are replacing. Shingles around it are not damaged, but are in poor condition. Let's go ahead and attempt this repair. All right, I do have the roof snake tool as well. This is gonna help me unseal the shingles and put the nails back without having to lift them too high. So I'm gonna be as careful as I can during this repair attempt. Let's go ahead and unseal these shingles. All right, that's the first one. There's the second one, and that tab has come loose from trying to get these up. Also, I can feel and hear all the mat transfer underneath these shingles. So you can see right here, right under here, there's a lot of mat transfer on that. So that is gonna have problems sticking back down. Let's start with the first lower nails. There's the first one, and that nail head is going right through the shingle. So that nail hole is not going to be able to be reused. And again, I'm being very careful not to lift these too high at all. The second nail hole has gone through the shingle. So you can actually see where that nail is. There's a large rip in the shingle. So that shingle ripped there. This one came out all right. And that is it for the bottom. So there should be just these upper nails left. And again, that nail head is going right through that shingle. That has ripped. All right, let's get the next one. There we go. That is it. Yep. So that one came right out. And as you can see, this roof is double layered. So there is a second layer of, looks like 3-tab shingles underneath here. In North Carolina, it is against code to do repairs with 2 layers. So what we're gonna have to do is tarp this up and put in a supplement for a replacement. Between the matting transfer, the shingles coming loose, that's probably creased at the top. The nail holes ripping open, you can see right there. And also right in here. That is a lot of mat transfer and a ripped hole in the shingle. This roof is not going to be repairable. If we try to put these new shingles in here, it is going to leak and cause future problems. So we are going to tarp this up and end this video right here. Thank you for your time and have a great day.